Shakir says, I use a credit card for day-to-day purchases and pay my balance in full at the end of every month. So I do not incur any interest or riba. With this credit card, after every 3 to 4 months, I get vouchers to spend in a shop. The value of the vouchers is dependent on how much I had spent on the credit cards. Is using these vouchers sinful? This is known as cashback. And I think I've answered a similar question many times before, but because the question is there, we will answer it again. Cashback is halal depending on the institution that it is giving it to you. Meaning, why do we say that if I open a bank account and they refund me or give me instantly $100 as a gift, why do we say that this $100 is haram and riba? Isn't this similar to cashback? The answer would be is to understand what is the relationship between me and this financial institution. When I go to a bank and I have a bundle of cash and I open a bank account, what will the bank do with this money? If they would put it in a safe deposit box, not to touch it, not to use it, in this case, this is known as amana. It's a deposit. Even if the bank was burnt to the ground, in addition to my money, I cannot come and say, give me my money back. They said, it's gone, it's burnt. I can't say, this is none of my business. I gave you my money as a deposit. And you would say, yes, but the bank was burnt to the ground. It's not our fault. It's an act of Allah Azza wa Jal and a force majeure, as they call it. In this case, yes. If they give you cash back, there's no problem because you did not lend them anything. But anyone who goes and opens a bank account and deposits his money is a loan to the bank. That's why the bank takes it, deals with it, lends it to other in riba, invests it in stocks or in any whatever it wants. So if the branch was burnt to the ground, I can claim my money an hour later and the bank is forced to give it back to me because it is not an amana. It is an actual loan from me to the bank. Therefore, if the bank gives me calendars or pens or gifts, if I'm a VIP customer and they give me a cell phone at the end of the year as a token of appreciation, this is all haram and riba. If you understand this concept now, we move on to cashbacks. Credit cards are lending you money and you have 40 days grace period to pay them back or they will charge you with riba. So here, you're not lending them, they're lending you. So Shakir, if it is as you say, that you pay before the grace period is over, so there's no riba, none whatsoever. And I will not go into the ruling of getting a credit card, but if you have one already, and you buy and you pay them immediately, and they give you cash back, this is okay. You can use the voucher, you can use the money, no problem in that. But if you have a debit card is a card that you charge with money. So you give them money in advance so that you can use it. Now you are lending the debit card company money and you're using it over time and they're giving you cash back. This is interest on the loan that you had given them. Likewise, apps that require that you give them money. So you deposit 10,000 riyals and you can transfer money with that. And you can pay your phone bills, you can pay electricity bills, you can do whatever you want until it is over. Then you have to recharge it again. And they give you cash back, it's the same concept. You're lending them money and they're giving you profit and percentage, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.